Physical, is it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, physical.
Yeah, it's at Google HQ.
Oh, wow, okay.
Yeah. Another one that I would actually encourage you to think about is cloud. Because
Cloud.
my personal hunch is that I think AI now is too large to be hosted by any company. So now all models that are being used is just a API.
Okay.
Like
Yeah.
last time you can download, maybe you can download a small llama, right? But once you go like 70 billion parameters, you go above a large one. Okay, there's two paths that I see the machine learning field currently going. One is they're just expanding the number of parameters. And then those will be on the cloud. Those are your very, very large
Right.
models. Those are your, I don't know, your, what's that?
ChatGPT.
Claude 3.7, your Chat GPT 4.5 just came out, right, recently.
Yep.
The other one that I see is I think it's picking up interest also, is efficiency of models. So they are cherry picking data to train the models, and they are using a more efficient model architecture.
Mm.
So your machine learning models are scaled down, but they are performing just as good as the large ones.
Okay, that's interesting, actually.
Yeah. So either way, I think cloud computing will continue to be a huge part. You can see AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud Platform, either one, they are doing a lot more scalability stuff for AI. So how you can host AI models there, you can do your computing and performance there. Your AWS, you have a SageMaker. Azure, you have your own Dataverse stuff. Uh, GCP has its own Gemini and Bard stuff also.
Okay.
So that's something else you can look into and you can follow.
Cloud computing.
Okay,
As in
not
like,
discounting the Asian side.
mm,
So Tencent Cloud, Alibaba, Huawei Cloud. Yeah,
so you still see like AI being like the bigger field in IT for the next like 5 years.
I think no.
No,
I think it will just become normal, like software engineering.
right. So,
I think there was this. Oh, I can't remember which company, but there was one company. I think Microsoft. They changed all their software engineers to AI engineers. They just changed the title and then they add
oh,
some training for them. Yeah. But AI engineer, right, may sound very fancy, but basically all they are doing, right, is calling API. That's all. They are software engineers that call AI APIs.
mm,
So they are not that fancy.
all right, get.
Just sounds fancy, but they are damn useless.
So there's still the need for software engineering. I mean, like, yeah, software engineering.
Yes.
Okay.
But at the same time, like, do beware. A lot of companies are continuing to open up. Uh, they are probably going to offshore jobs from Singapore. So if you are going to stay in Singapore doing AI jobs, you may want to be a lot more careful in what fields they're doing, that they are not offshore to like
Right.
India, Vietnam, Thailand. Yeah, even back in KL, they might rather hire a software developer there instead at Penang.
Wait, so then what jobs do you think like will not be offshore that's like more secure in like a specific location?
those that require more localized knowledge and more thinking, like more
Mm,
strategic thinking.
more planning and not so
Yeah.
much work to do.
So like
Right.
for example, honestly, part of the reason why I'm doing product management is because I don't think it'll be replaced that easily.
Okay.
Yeah. Or they can't offshore my job to India, but I can manage a team in India, but the product manager is hard for a product manager to be in India. Yeah.
Mm. Okay. What would qualify someone to be a product manager? Because I recently heard a lot of people like who are in like IT, but then they don't really want to
The
code,
hype,
but they still want to be in IT. And like one big way you can do that is through
EM.
product management.
Yeah, that's me.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, but I thought you love
uh,
coding.
I do, but I don't want to code 24/7. Yeah.
I see, I see.
Uh, Start with internship.
Always
Yeah.
start with internship.
I mean, that's one, but start with like you do project manage. Like when you work on a project, you take initiative in the group project to plan out the tasks, to organize the tasks, keep everyone on track. Then you basically play the role of a PM,
Coordinator.
yeah, but in a group project. Then you use that as experience to build yourself up, to understand like how the skill set works, that kind of thing. Yeah. I did quite a lot of projects as the coordinator, or like I took initiative to break down the tasks and stuff like that. So that helps.
Okay. Maybe I should become more initiative for my oh my goodness, this is my last CC sem. This might
Yeah,
be it.
yeah, possible. Yeah. Don't
Okay.
worry lah.
Okay. All right. I think that's about the majority of the questions that I wanted to ask you. And
Mm.
so I'd like to thank you for your time and I wish you a great day ahead.
Thank you. Have a good day, Ben. I'll catch you